Hello everyone, I'm Trick Hunter. I haven't been here for a while, but I hope that I will slowly return to regularly adding my results and I will regularly post income statements from each month. Today I will show you my stock photography income for the month of November 2023. So like every month, we start with the least profitable stock agencies. We start with Wirestock. I haven't added anything here for a long time. This time, it is a photo of Renate Gris apples in the wooden boxes. I never expected to earn much on Wirestock. If I change my mind, maybe I will start selling something here and I will start adding more content. But for now, it's only 25 cents this month. Let's move on to Dreamstime. I have no idea what kind of dinosaur this is, but this month it was the only photo sold by this agency. Photo from a dinosaur park in southern France for 35 cents. I'm slowly starting upload on Dreamstime AI illustrations. I see a small increase in sales of AI illustrations among some creators, so I will try my hand at it too. Maybe after some time, the income from sales will be a little higher. Depositphotos. This time there were 3 photos sold. The first 2 photos are from the annual old car show organized on a street in the center of a small town. It is a Triumph GT6 MK3 from 1972. Both photos for 25 cents. Panoramic view from the top of Pointe de l'Aiguille State Park on the Mediterranean Sea near Cannes, also for 25 cents, which added up to 75 cents. The next agency is Bigstock. We start with a 25 cents photo. This is a view from above of a winding road in the mountains in winter, with a passing car with beautiful snow-covered forest scenery. Aerial view of agricultural irrigation system watering farmland for 25 cents. The FIFA World Cup in Qatar is long over, but as you can see, older photos from various sports events can still be sold. 50 cents. This month, $1. It's time for 123RF. Since buying my drone, almost 80% of the photos sold are from high altitude, so I guess I don't need my camera. A drone shot of a construction machinery for 22 cents. And a photo of photovoltaic panels placed on the roof of a greenhouse with mountains in the background. Sold 4 times for $1.78. In the month of November, the income from 123RF was $2. Let's move on to motion array. Every month, the results of downloaded videos is increasing. This month, it was 104 of 310 assets that I have in my portfolio. This is my best month so far. I started uploading my first videos in July 2023. I hope that as more videos are added, the earnings will increase. As some of you probably know, we are not able to see how much it was downloaded for and what. That's why I don't provide the amount of videos sold. I keep my own statistics, and this month the most downloaded video was a shot of a passenger ship sailing on the Rhone River in the morning in the Drôme region, which was downloaded a total of 14 times. Total earnings for this month are $11. Alamy is back. At first I thought it was a mistake, but it wasn't. The last download from the Alamy website that I recorded was in April this year, so I'm surprised. A photo of photovoltaic panels placed on the roof of a greenhouse, which is very often downloaded on all my stock agencies. This month, from Alamy brought in $14. Let's move on to Shutterstock. This month, my third highest grossing agency. I still have 1,400 photos and 566 videos in my portfolio. I haven't uploaded anything here for a while. probably because I focused on AI illustrations on other sites, and that's why there was no motivation to leave the house and take some photos. In November, 26 assets were downloaded, including 24 photos and 2 videos. The most profitable photos are flowering apricot trees in early spring for 89 cents. Also for 89 cents, flowering trees, this time a peach tree in sunlight with an anti-frost system in the background. Tracks for a TGV high-speed passenger train in France, aerial view of the viaduct landing to the tunnel in a beautiful green scenery sold for $2.60. The first video sold is a flyover of the same viaduct with a TGV train passing at a very high speed for $4.70. And for $8.40, a panoramic shot of a large field with photovoltaic panels. This month wasn't very good compared to last month, almost $70 less. In November, the income was $21.81. GettyImages iStock. In my portfolio, I have 1,555 images and 620 videos. 37 assets were downloaded, including 30 photos and 7 videos. Photo downloaded 4 times for $3.50 is a snow groomer preparing ski slopes for skiing or snowboarding at the popular ski resort of Alpe d'Huez in the French Alps. The most profitable photo turned out to be, as every month, a photo of photovoltaic panels placed on the roof of a greenhouse, which was downloaded 11 times for the amount of $16.48. One of the videos, downloaded twice for $14.85, is a drone shot of traffic on the A7 highway in France. In the summer, there are huge traffic jams on this highway when tourists from Northern Europe go on holiday to the French Riviera in large numbers. The total income from my second best agency this month was $47.43. It's time for the last highest grossing agency, Adobe Stock. In my portfolio, I have 1,620 photos, 674 videos, and 1,250 illustrations. I had 198 downloads this month. Image sales were 15, 4 videos, and 179 illustrations. The images earned me $34.86, videos $48.65, and illustrations $126.22. From Monday to Friday, I have more assets sold. On all weekends day, the number of sales is not large. Downloads range between 0 and 3 per day, which is not very satisfying. The only exception was November 5, when one photo sold for $26.40. Okay, we start with the most profitable photos and videos. Downloaded for a total of 5 times for $7.91, illustration of a smiling woman riding in a wheelchair raising her arms in victory. This is an illustration referring to the upcoming Olympic and Paralympic Games in Paris. Another one is a hand holding the Olympic torch with the Eiffel Tower in the background, downloaded 7 times for $8.22. And a silhouette of a running athlete, downloaded 15 times for a total amount of $10.56. And the last photo, which I mentioned earlier, for $26.40, a close-up of a wind farm at sunrise with thick fog in the background. This is the highest amount for which I have sold one photo on Adobe Stock. Panoramic shot from above from my drone of a church in one of the most beautiful old towns in France, Mirmont, sold for $8.40. And video for $34.65 with a view of the river pollution treatment system on the Rhone River in southern France. This is my best result on Adobe Stock in my history, $209.75. My total of month of November 2023 was $308.34. There were 379 downloads. If I compare it to the last year, November 2022, it was $111.21. Thanks for watching, take care and see you next month. Bye.